I'll give you 3 seconds. Can you guess what this is? Let me tell you, it's actually a house. This is the finished look. This is a display of the combined interior spaces. Isn't it wonderful? This is a custom-made flat-pack container house project we designed for a client in Saudi Arabia. As you can see, we packed all the necessary components for building the house inside, using the floor and ceiling. Doesn't it look like a box? Its advantage is that it can be built much faster because the roof and floor have been pre-made in the factory, and all that's needed is to install the columns and wall panels. Also, because of this, it's waterproof, windproof, and soundproof effects are better than those achieved through on-site installation, and it has a longer lifespan. It only takes a few hours to complete the installation of a house, significantly shortening the construction period. If you want to know more information, please contact me.